I wondered how gold leaf could look over texture, so I did some research, gathered some materials, and had a little exploration. I'm sure if you're experienced at this, you can tell this is my first time. I was advised to make the mix the consistency of peanut butter. So I thought I had it, and I started applying to this old canvas panel, and let's see what happened. Sometimes it's just so important to have fun, and actually smearing over all the patterns that I've already made is actually proving immensely satisfying. And as I'm working with the filler, it's starting to thicken up and get a little bit more sticky and strong, so lesson learned there for next time. I'm hoping that the acrylic sealant that I sprayed on will stop the plaster from absorbing too much of the metal leaf size, and that the gold leaf sheets will actually adhere. I was really interested to see how these imitation goldleaf sheets would cope with this amount of texture, and obviously they are relatively durable. I know when you first start they seem incredibly flyaway and unforgiving, but you know, you can just rip off torn pieces and just kind of shove it into all these nooks and crannies and really just go a bit crazy with it, and it's very refreshing and fun instead of worrying about getting this smooth, entirely perfect surface. As usual, the brushing away process is absolutely dreamy, and is revealing some flatter areas of shiny gold and all these tiny crevices. I'm not really sure about the aesthetic of this piece, but it's an experiment, so I should just let it go. And also you can come back and fix any areas that the gold leaf and the glue missed. I'm doing a secondary panel because I had some leftover filler, and by this stage obviously the filler had gotten to the really nice consistency which I needed from the beginning, so I was actually really pleased with the design that I made on this. And the reason that I wanted to show you copper is because I have an ulterior motive which I will tell you about at the end of the video. So we have a gold and a copper result, and that was immensely fun and satisfying, and really has excited me to go further with it. Maybe try it to create some kind of ethereal landscapes or something. My idea for the next part of what to do with these panels is to apply some patinas, which will artificially age and adapt the colours of the gold leaf sheets. So tune in soon, because it'll be very interesting to see what happens. And just wanted to give a quick mention to my golden nest, which is where I have my channel memberships, if you would like to support the channel a little bit more. So see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.